right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at another truck video, and the guy ends up hitting a side road and doing pretty much exactly what the last guy did. Which was an excellent strategy. Hit up a dirt road and make the visibility almost impossible for law enforcement. So without talking your ear off too much, I'm going to show you guys the footage.
Boy, that's beyond 54 rough. We gonna stop? Keep rolling. Nope, we're gonna keep rolling. Hey, how we doing? Hey, trooper on the Arkansas State Police. That for a couple of reasons. Okay. One, you got a brake light that's out over here on the driver's side.
I do.
Yes, sir. And then you're not showing any insurance on the vehicle. Have you got a driver's license? No, it's showing unconfirmed. Shit. 7 there, 1037.
I'm good, I'm good.
We're on mute, we're cut off, headed toward Buford Road. Notify 5. Okay. He's throwing stuff out the window. Speeds at 65. Coming up on County Road 58.
Or coming up on 10.
And there you have it. He ends up getting away. Visibility is next to nothing. I mean, it is almost impossible for law enforcement to kind of hang in there. It's just too risky, you know, like you just end up, you just can't see anything. And that's exactly what happened in the first video that I showed you guys a month back of the, you know, the truck hitting up that side road, going down the dirt path. He ends up getting away. Now, full transparency, even though this guy ends up getting away, law enforcement ended up finding that vehicle abandoned a handful of hours later. They tracked him down, and you know, the rest is history. But he ended up getting away, and the ones that get away, I always try and show you guys. I think it's entertaining to watch the driving skills. So with that being said, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear what you have to say. And you know what? If you haven't already checked out some of the other videos that I've loaded up in the last month, a lot of them are doing very well on the channel, and I'll check you on the next upload.